Hi everyone, as you can tell from the title of this video, I am going to Florida. I've just started packing. I'm going to pack all my clothes tonight and then pack all my electricals and liquids etc. tomorrow night, so I will film that as well. Apologies for the lighting, by the way. As ever, I've left the packing until the last moment and this is the best I have to work with, but I don't think it will matter too much. So as I said, I'm going to pack my clothes tonight. I'm going for 2 weeks and I'm going in the month of May, so I think the average temperature is around, it's late 20s, maybe creeping up to early 30s, so it's going to be hot. So I have packed quite a lot of summer clothes. Here's all my packing just laid out on my bed. I am going to be packing it into my IT luggage suitcase, which I showed you in my new purchases show and tell video. It's a medium suitcase. Probably the biggest suitcase I've ever owned. It's quite big to me, might not be so big to you, but I'm pretty sure all of my stuff will fit in this. So just a bit of a rundown on what I'm taking. I'm taking a few bikinis. I'm probably taking about 5 or 6 bikinis. I have a number of t-shirts as well. I think I've got 3, 4, 5 in there, and a number of vest tops, all different colours and patterns to go with different outfits. A few of them are bodies as well, just in case I want to dress up nicely in the evening. One of my favourite things to wear on holiday, music festivals, anywhere when it's hot, are play suits. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 play suits. You've probably seen me wear some of these in some of my videos actually. And another thing I like to wear are shorts. Shorts are very practical, so I've got some denim shorts, some floral shorts, print shorts, and another pair of floral shorts because I love floral shorts. I've only got 1 skirt, weirdly. I don't seem to have many skirts I'm taking with me. I'm also taking this jumpsuit I bought from Topshop last year and 1 dress as well. Right, I think that's enough for now, so I will see you tomorrow night. Hello and welcome to the second night of packing. I am leaving tomorrow, so I've got to get this packing done tonight. I've just got out some liquids and various other things, so I'll just show you that first. So I've got all of my shoes here and some socks, some trainer socks from H&M. I probably should pack a few more. I'm taking some sandals, some Keds trainers and some other Fred Perry trainers. Over here I've got a lot of hair stuff, so shampoo, conditioner, hair brushes, combs, heat defense spray, shower gel, hair bands and a hair sort of bobby pin thing. More conditioner in case I run out of the other ones. Toothpaste, toothbrush, antiperspirant hairspray, skincare, so moisturizer, makeup remover and my psoriasis cream. Exfoliator, a face mask if I want to bother with that, some muslin cloths so that I can wipe off my cleanser, sun lotion, so I've got one for body and face, and a body scrub with shavers, pads to remove makeup, I think I've touched on that already, 2 pairs of sunglasses which are prescription and non-prescription, and my contact lenses. Right, finally I'm about to pack all my electrical bits, so just to go through this quickly, I'm taking my hairdryer, my straightener, I'm sure there'll be a hairdryer at the villa but I prefer my Parlux, my Kindle, my portable charger, my Canon G7X which I'm filming on, my GoPro which is tucked down here, some GoPro accessories like wrist and hand straps, chest and head strap. And somewhere here, I think I've packed it in there actually, it's like an extension lead for the GoPro. So I'm taking all of the chargers for these as well. I haven't packed an adapter yet because I'll be buying that at the airport. Over here I've got my hand luggage, so I'm just going to pack all this stuff first and then go through what I'm taking in my hand luggage. So I think that's everything packed now. For my hand luggage, just finally, I'm taking an Eastpak rucksack, which is quite sturdy. Honestly, it's lasted me years. I'm going to take my laptop in that bag because obviously it's an electrical and I don't want to get that damaged, so I want to keep that on me. Same with my sunglasses, really. They're quite delicate items, so I'll keep that on me, as well as the camera I'm filming on, which is a Canon G7X. My GoPro as well, which I'm going to all keep in like a handheld over the shoulder bag in my Eastpak bag with my phone, my Kindle, a portable charger, and I think that might be it. clothes wise to the airport tomorrow, I'm just going to decide when I wake up, because England's weather's really unpredictable at the moment and I'm about to fly into 28-degree heat, so I don't know what to wear really. I've packed most of my, you know, Florida clothes in here, and all I need to do now is shower, sleep and set my alarm very early to get up for my flight to Florida the next day. So I am going to end the video here. I will include a list of all of the items I've talked about in this video in the description box. If I have forgotten anything, I'll include that in the list below as well. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this kind of rough and ready packing video. Let me know if you have any packing essentials which I haven't mentioned maybe. Like, just leave a comment below. I'd love to find out, because honestly, whenever I go away, I am very much a list person and I just love being organised. So I'd love to find out what you guys pack as well, and maybe how you guys pack. Thanks for watching guys, and if you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Next video coming your way will be me in Florida, which I'm so excited about. Bye!